Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to share your YouTube channel to your X account, formerly known as Twitter, using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for YouTube and an account for X. We can start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this way for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to YouTube Studio via a shortcut within bookmarks, top right corner. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we want to do is go to top left corner, view channel on YouTube. This will allow us to share our YouTube channel to the X platform. So we now need to click on more. Then we need to click on share channel, and now we have the options to copy the link or click directly on X, which will take us to our X account, and we need to be signed into the account. This will then generate a link that will allow us to post to our X account. Let's now click on post. Let's now go to profile, scroll to that clickable link that was shared via X for our YouTube channel. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.